Hi everyone, this video representation is to explain the complete process of lead management system and and through the lead management system how we can add the lead and convert the lead to the opportunity then to customer and how we can move forward to the quotation and sales order part of a particular customer. So in this section in Salesforce automation, there is a submodule called LMS lead management system. Under that, there is lead management form. Once we click on lead management form, there are some information of the leads will be listing down here. Let's suppose user want to add a new lead. So user need to click on this add button. Once user will click on the add button, all the fields will be applicable to be filled, and as we can see it's the first form of contact in which is marked with red mark. It's a mandatory field to add. And let's suppose name of the organization. First we need to put the name of the organization, then after that other details like lead type. We can add the lead type, either it's for sales generated lead or it's through WhatsApp or sales visit lead. So let's suppose we have selected that, and this lead is for either for which product, Tyco, Infineon. So we can add the particular vertical in this lead for, and then all the information we need to fill. Once we will fill all the information, so after that, once we will click on this save button, it will redirect to the listing page of the lead management system. And once we will click on this WhatsApp, so automatically the information will be shared on the customer WhatsApp. So whatever the number has been added in the particular lead, we can directly and continue to the chat. Once we click on this continue to chat, so once we go back to this lead, we need to click on save button. So again we can go to the next tab, and we can fill other information as well. Once we will fill the other information, we can click on save button. So like that, one by one we can complete this form. So this is the basic form. Once we will complete that, it will we can move forward as well. But later on, if we have other information, so we can complete other information as well. So once we will go back, it now lead has been added in the system. Now user need to take the follow-up. So as we can see this stage of the lead, first one is unattended. That means there is no call has been entertained to that particular lead, and this is the quotation stage. So follow up already has been done, I think more than 2-3 times. So it's a basically a last stage, quotation stage. And first it is important to assign the lead. So let's suppose we already have assigned this lead to this two employees, and if we want to reassign this lead to the another salesperson, we can click on reassign, and according to the department and assign stage also we can define for one time as well. Once we will uh, click on this quotation stage and then assign to the particular salesperson, so only after that stage, only on the quotation stage, it will assign to that particular employee. So once we will do that, it will assign to the um, that particular salesperson. Now if salesperson wants to take the follow-up, need to click on this follow-up button. Once they will click on follow-up button, it will redirect to this particular page. So where, let's suppose the lead is unattended, at this time only we want to um, take the follow-up for this lead. And only a first time we are calling to that particular lead. So once we will call, uh, at that time only we have to fill this information: follow up date, time, follow up person with whom I am talking and taking up the follow up, and lead type, and then what basically what are the communication details. And once we have done that, this is next one is next follow-up action. So during the call, whatever the conversation happened between the salesperson and the lead, so the next, what is the follow-up action for the next call, we have to decide that time only, and we have to fill the information that time. Either follow-up is required, or either we have we need to close this lead. So once we need to close this lead, though, then we have to choose the status, either win or lose. And if follow-up is required, at the time we have to choose the stage, the first call or technical demo or final call, according to that. And then next follow-up person also we need to select. And then if only that time we need to forward this lead to the another salesperson, we can do that. Otherwise, if we want to move that lead to the opportunity, we can also move this lead to the opportunity once we click on opportunity. So this is the process. And like that only, next time this this particular stage will be changed once we will call on the lead. So next time it will change. Next time it will maybe first call or last call, close session, whatever the information salesperson will fetch from this master. So information will be shown here. And then next follow-up action also we need to click on the next follow-up action. So once we will go back, we can take also example of this lead, because this lead is already in the quotation stage. So once we will click on this lead follow up, we can see the changes of stage name. So right now it is in quotation stage. In the quotation stage, we will have two options. Once, link to an existing quotation. We can also link, but we need to select the quotation number. And if we want to create a new quotation, also we can click on this, click here to create a new quotation. Once we will click on a new quotation, then it will redirect to the quotation form directly. And then from here, whoever have the right to make the quotation, who is the maker of the quotation, who can make quotation from here as well. And if want to go directly to the quotation, also can go, click on the quotation domestic, and then click on add button, then will redirect to this particular page. So once salesperson will make this quotation, can also use this quotation in sales order. So this is the complete process how we will move to lead to the quotation and other process as well. So in between the lead, in between the first stage and the quotation stage, or in between the lead management and quotation, we have a very important stage called opportunity. So once we will move this particular lead to the move to opportunity. So we can see all this opportunity leads in this opportunity management system section. And from here also we can take the same follow up, and we can move to the quotation and other part as well. So this is the complete process of lead management system. Thank you.